Let's have a look at your upcoming project to-do list. Does it include bookcases, vanities, dressers, kitchen cabinets, shop cabinets? If it does, this is the class for you. Because in this class, what I'm going to do is take cabinet making and I'm going to break it down into a very systemic approach to make it easy to understand, so that once we have that understanding, you can take that knowledge and apply it to other projects you want to do. So here's what's going to happen. We're going to talk about the manner in which I build cabinets. And this has evolved for me over lots and lots of years of doing custom cabinets and commercial cabinets. So it's a system that really works to make sure that the carcass is the right size, the face frame's the right size, the door's the right size. The carcass is going to get put together using a dado head on a table saw, using rabbets and dados. We're going to go through that joinery, make sure it's rock solid. Once we've got that carcass done, we're going to move forward, and I'm going to talk about how to get the face frame perfectly dimensioned so that it's a perfect match for the carcass you've already got done. Coming forward from there, we're going to make a frame and panel door. That's going to include Copen style joinery that we'll do on the router table. Really useful stuff to know about if you ever want to make a door. Having a look inside the cabinet, eventually we're going to probably want to hang the cabinet on the wall, so we'll talk about screw cleats that are inside there to make that happen. We'll look at approaches to get banding applied to man-made materials. You can use that for your adjustable shelf work. Lots and lots of stuff going on here, including an attractive cap on top where we get the opportunity to miter some moldings to finish that cap off. So as I said earlier, the beauty of this is that when you get the hang of these cabinet making skills, there are so many different projects you can apply those skills to. So if you've got any of those cabinet making projects in your future, dressers, vanities, shop cabinets, kitchen cabinets, this is certainly the class for you.